What is up, gang? Nick here. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. He needs no introduction. He is the original GOAT. He is worth billions of dollars. He is Warren Buffett. In this video, I want to discuss what Buffett is buying and why he thinks this company could explode in the coming quarters. This is a company I am personally very bullish on and am continually adding to my position, and a red hot company that a lot of you have been asking me to break down. We have a ton to get to in today's video, but before we do, Webull has improved their promo. They are now offering 4 free stocks worth up to $3,700. All you have to do is 1, sign up, 2, open an account, and 3, deposit in at least $100 using the link in my description. They are a 0% commissions trading platform and offer some of the best analytics in the game. Check out my Patreon page if you haven't yet. Thank you so much to all of those who have pledged. It really means the world to me. I will be posting all of my trades moving throughout 2021, posting behind the scenes content, early content, updates into emerging growth companies and penny stocks. This is the year of the bread. Let's all get it. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button. Let's get right into it, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, if you have watched my channel before, you will know I am heavily positioned in disruptive innovation. I think this company perfectly fits into that sphere. The company I am talking about in today's episode is Snowflake, trading under ticker symbol SNOW. Snowflake is a company that was founded in 2012, founded in none other than San Mateo, California, and currently headquartered there. They had one of the most anticipated IPOs last year, debuting on September 16th. This IPO was flaming hot. Institutional money was pouring into it, fueling a blizzard investor buying frenzy. Snowflake, just like snow, is based and formed in the cloud, and in this case, cloud computing. Toss a like for those back-to-back terrible dad jokes. They are a cloud-based data platform that enables their customers the ability to consolidate data into a single source of truth to drive meaningful business insights, build data-driven applications, and share data. One of the most notable bulls on Snowflake was Warren Buffett. Now, if you have been investing for a while and don't bow down to my main man Buffett, I don't know what you are even doing. He has an incredible track record and is notorious for finding upside in all the noise. Why is Warren Buffett so bullish on Snowflake? Buffett owns over 6 million shares of Snowflake, valued at over $1.5 billion. Now, Buffett is predicting the future with this new stake. Their company has brought in so much hype because it's the perfect way for massive companies to run their software on cloud platforms. These companies are massive conglomerates like Alphabet, Microsoft, and Amazon. Now, these massive companies need to streamline their data sourcing, data storing, and data integration. Companies that specifically specialize in this, like Snowflake, are extremely well positioned for the coming landscape. If you have watched and analyzed Buffett's trades in the past, he has always stayed with the conventional investor wisdom of invest in what you know, and he almost always sticks with large cap, proven, battle-hardened, and profitable companies that are also undervalued. So this move to invest in a company not yet profitable shook the entire investor world. He has famously avoided IPOs and rarely touches technology companies, as he admits he doesn't really understand them. He's just an old guy. This investment from Buffett's company Berkshire Hathaway has played out extremely well for their company. Buffett purchased 2.1 million shares in private placement and then dished out another $485 million at their IPO price of $120. The stock is trading just under $300 per share now and has recently entered somewhat of a stagnation in share price. However, it should be noted that it has dropped off about 4% recently, and some analysts and investors are seeing this as an opportune time to buy. I personally think this is a great long-term hold. Yes, the shares are expensive, but it's become so transparently clear that cloud-based computing is the way of the future, and Snow holds so much promise in this industry. They have a massive market cap of $82.47 billion and have a 52-week low of 208 and a high of 429. Their revenue increased from only $96 million in 2019 to $264 million in 2020. 2021 is expected to also vastly increase this figure once again. Like I previously stated, They are not profitable yet. However, their primary concern as of right now is increasing their revenue on a consistent basis. Investors in Buffett find solace in their cash position. This is extremely hefty at $4.75 billion, and their current ratio is extremely asset heavy at 9.11. Now, I do think it will be a number of years before this company is able to find profitability, but the most important thing here is that analysts and investors do think this profitability is extremely likely to occur. There is a path, and they are traversing down this path currently. Life after the health situation will likely remain tech heavy for the foreseeable future. We have found a way online, and it's very unlikely that this will revert overnight back to the way businesses used to operate. Cloud-based computing companies are expected to be the beneficiaries to this new normal moving forward. This is perfectly shown in Snow's extreme valuations. Yes, these prices are extremely, and I mean extremely, overvalued by conventional standards. There's no doubting that. I'm not saying these aren't exuberantly expensive, but investors and analysts are increasingly less concerned about share prices in relation to a company's current numbers, but instead of where a company could be 3, 5, 10 years down the line. It's clear that a lot of investors, and one of the most notable investors on the face of the planet, Warren Buffett, is very bullish on the stock moving forward. I'm personally looking to enter once again at under $250 per share, as I would not be surprised to see the shares continue to correct in the coming weeks and months. However, if they don't and we see a steadily increasing share price, I would not hesitate to purchase more shares of this company. Anyways, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the continued support. Do not forget about the Webull promo. 4 free stocks worth up to $3,700. All you have to do is 1, sign up, 2, open an account, and 3, deposit in at least $100 using the link in my description. This is a complete no-brainer. They have some of the best analytics in the game and are a 0% commissions trading platform. Check out the Patreon page if you haven't already. I'm posting all of my trades moving throughout 2021. I finished 2020 with over a 50% ROI, and I'm hoping to repeat this moving into this year. Anyways, everyone, I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Happy trading. Cheers.